Okay, we're going to
Hi,
take the
Deepika.
last two
Hi, Deepika.
questions now. So we'll take one
Hi
from here.
दीपिका, सरिता सिंह here. How are you? तो सबसे पहले दीपिका और मेघना, आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत बधाई एक बहादुर लड़की की जिसने न केवल सर्वाइवर या फाइटर होने के बाद बल्कि पूरे देश को नॉर्मल कैटेगरी में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेरणा दी थी. हम सब उसके गवाह थे, हम लोगों ने कवर किया था उस वक्त को. और जब मैंने पर्दे पर दीपिका को देखा तो मुझे लगा मैं लक्ष्मी को देख रही हूँ और मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाई. स्पेशली 2-3 सीन्स में सिर्फ हाइट का फर्क था और ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. लुक एस्थेटिक से बना लेते हैं मगर एक एक्सप्रेशन, एक पर्सनैलिटी बहुत बड़ी बात है. मेरे साथ लक्ष्मी के किरदार की बहुत सारी चीज़ें मेरी ज़िंदगी में आ गई हैं. आपने लक्ष्मी को जिया है. मालती जो आपकी मालती है, लक्ष्मी और मालती की कौन सी चीज़ है जो ज़िंदगी भर, जिसने आपको बदल दिया ज़िंदगी भर के लिए और वो आपके साथ रहेगी?
आई थिंक जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था कि आई थिंक इट्स हर स्पिरिट, इट्स हर, आई एम श्योर यू हैव मेट हर ऑल्सो, बट इट्स हाउ easy she is with everything. And there is an ease, there is joy, there is attitude, there is all of those things. I can't, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's, I have never met somebody like her. She's unique. She's really unique. And again, not with sympathy, not with what has happened, but what she's made of the incident, what she's made of her life after that. I am yet to come across someone as entertaining, as engaging. She's unique. She's really unique. And she's really one of my most favorite people. I can sit and talk to her for hours. She's always full of stories, always full of anecdotes, which also you'll see in the film. You know, you'll see her entire personality. It's not one-dimensional. There's just so much to her life, and you know, there's many things to take away from. I think every character and every film teaches you something. मैं ऐसे नहीं कह सकती हूँ कि मैंने ये एक चीज़ सीखा है या मैं ये एक चीज़ मैं लेके जाऊँगी, but I think overall films impact you, characters impact you, and yeah.
I think the biggest thing here is that
Okay,
the
we
one
have-
thing you will not see about, the one thing that Malti is not, is a bichari. That's the biggest thing. Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm going to let you all take a few questions. Let's just start with the guy there.
I don't know. I really don't know. He's not seen. Y'all are the first people to see it. Have we posted it already?
No.
Abhi, as we speak. So I'm talking to you before I talk to him, by the way.
आप अपना रिएक्शन देना चाहते हैं दे सकते हैं, नहीं तो I'm going to move to the next question. The lady
दीपिका
here.
और पूरी टीम से मेरा सवाल है
Excuse me,
सर,
just
यहाँ पर-
1 minute, guys. The lady here.
मैम, ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है उस चीज़ पे कमेंट करने का कि प्रियंका रेड्डी के साथ जो हुआ और उसके बाद जो हुआ वो सही है कि नहीं है. वी विल नॉट आंसर दैट हियर बिकॉज दोज आर आवर पर्सनल आइडियोलॉजीज. दिस इज़ नॉट द प्लेस फॉर दैट. होते हैं मैम, स्पेशल कोर्ट्स भी बनते हैं. निर्भया केस के लिए भी स्पेशल कोर्ट बना था, बट द जुडिशरी द वे इट इज़ इन आवर कंट्री हैज़ इट्स ओन प्रोसेस, और उसके ऊपर कमेंट करने की जगह हमारी नहीं है.
दीपिका और पूरी टीम से
Okay,
मेरा
so
सवाल
we're going to
है
now. Okay, I'm going to now, guys, hang on. I'm going to pick someone who hasn't had a chance. So there's a lady sitting there. Yeah.
We have no idea because we've literally just launched it now as you... Oh, when she saw me, sorry. When she saw me, she felt like she was seeing herself in the mirror. Making में शायद आप लोग देखेंगे. I'm sure we'll put that out at some point. I felt like I was looking at myself, and she felt like she was looking at herself.
Which is a fabulous thing, if you ask me.
सर
And I was actually I was the most nervous on that day. This is the first time I'm playing a character that's alive, that's real, that's tangible, that I can sit with, talk to. There's no historic reference. And that's a big responsibility. So when she came on set, I think she came on the second day of, on the first day, correct. And Meghna was like, Lakshmi's coming. I'm like, okay, where is she? I've never been so nervous. But she walked in and she was just glowing, and she was happy, and you'll see all of it when the making comes out. And there's no better validation for an actor than that. When you're playing a real life character and the person is in front of you and says, I feel like I'm seeing myself as an actor, there's no better and bigger validation than that.
पूरी
Deepika,
टीम से मेरा
Justin here
सवाल
from
है
PTI.
यार
We have a plan. It will unfold slowly. Watch this space.
Deepika, Justin
Okay,
here.
I'm going to now let the
Deepika,
gentleman there take a
Justin-
question.
No, he threw a tantrum, was all pricey, made me chase him.
He was like, if you don't pay me my money, I won't do it.
Sir, there was no reason for me to not associate myself with this. For the way I think as Vikrant, I believe in the cause. And for all pragmatic reasons as an artist, getting an opportunity to collaborate with these two is like seriously, I'm sorry if that's offensive. So yeah, so it was something that it would be really foolish of me to let go of that opportunity. And at the same time, I think I did fall lucky because एक ऐसी कहानी का हिस्सा बनने का मौका मिला जिसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं मैं खुद पर्सनली बहुत ज़्यादा फील भी करता हूँ. And I think someone up there sort of looked after me there and then, and here I am sitting with you guys.
Deepika, Justin here
okay,
from
so-
PTI towards your left.
Can we please ask Govind one question just for me? This is my own kida. Please, somebody ask Govind one question. I really want. He's my most favorite person, by the way. If I may say, and Meghna's going to not appreciate this, but he is the best thing that has happened to her. Oh my God.
They know that. They both know
Oh, they
it.
know that. Okay. Oh, you're also.
Yeah, they both know it.
I think we were living with this story for 5 years. Yeah. And, you know, I've always heard her father say that somewhere cinema is a reflection of society, and it allows you to reflect upon yourself as a society. So this was a story which really resonated with us, and I'm hoping that it allows us and everybody here to reflect on yourselves collectively as a society to see what we can do about it.
दीपिका और पूरी टीम से मेरा सवाल है ज्योति फॉर बिग एफएम जी यहाँ पर
Sorry,
कैमरे
we
के
can't-
पास जी
Yeah, okay.
दीपिका यहाँ पर एक डायलॉग है आपके ट्रेलर में कि अगर एसिड ना मिले तो ऐसी घटनाएं ना हो, लेकिन कई जगह बैन किया हुआ है एसिड को, लेकिन फिर भी इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाता है, मिल जाता है लोगों को. तो इस पे कोई स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ कई जगह पर है, कई स्टेट में जहाँ पर नहीं बोला जाता लेकिन मिल जाता है. ऐसे में क्या स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ होने चाहिए कि एसिड ना मिले और चीज़ें ऐसी जो घटनाएं जो इजीली अवेलेबल है इसलिए लोगों का जाके खरीद लेते हैं और ये सारी घटनाएं होती हैं.
Yeah. So I'll answer this because I'm the textbook over here. नहीं, laws हैं. Acid की बिक्री regulated है. It is regulated. ये 2013 से लेके 2015 तक में ये laws आ गए थे, लेकिन इनकी implementation में गलती है. अब आप अपना आईडी, अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन, अपना मोबाइल नंबर बिना दिए आप एसिड खरीद नहीं सकते, लेकिन ये हर जगह लागू नहीं होता है. प्रॉब्लम वहाँ है. जस्ट टू क्लैरिफाई.
Deepika, Justin here from PTI towards
can
your
I,
left.
Can I just have, sorry, I'm sorry to interrupt. Can I just have a mic? Okay. No, I'm going to hold everyone at bay now.
No, I have a question for Govind. That after doing this film, is Deepika your favorite or Meghna your favorite?
Only thing I'll say
Think,
is
huh?
that
Think. Otherwise, I'm not coming home for dinner.
I'll totally sidestep the question, and I'll say that इस फिल्म में मुझे इतना
Don't give a diplomatic answer.
इतना खाना पकाना पड़ा है कि आप पूछिए मत. So I'm pretty fond of cooking, and after almost every time we have finished some sets, some shooting, I've been asked to cook 5 kilos, 10 kilos. I'm very
I'm
happy
sorry,
the
it's
film
the
is
other way
getting
around.
over.
He's like, I'm cooking, please come.
And since too many questions are being asked to the rest of them, I want to just tell you, Vikrant, that you're wonderful.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
He is.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Deepika, Justin here from
Thank
PTI towards your left here. Here. Should I? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Just taking a cue from Faridun, I believe Lakshmi was attacked because a man refused to take her no. And that's where he got offended and he sort of attacked her. No, but I mean, it's a real life story I read up upon her. But tell me, today more than ever, the impact of pop culture is under scanner. For the longest, our films and songs have normalized talking and glorified iski na maybe ha hai culture. You think it's about time, high time that we introspect what we put on screen?
I can't speak for everybody.
Right,
I
but
really can't speak for everyone. I can speak, and which is exactly what I said to Faridun as well. You can't shy away from the fact that it does have an impact on youth, on society, on the way we dress, on the way we think. It does. What everyone makes of that opportunity is for each one to decide individually.
For you, Meghna and Vikrant?
I completely agree. I mean, cinema has a very critical role because it is both inspiring as well as influencing, which can be used for good also. And the influences can be negative also. Like she said, it is each maker's choice or each actor's choice. It also goes into your own sensibility. Plus, if all cinema is only going to be responsible, you guys are not going to go to the theaters very long. Right? So some level of entertainment is also important, but even that can be done responsibly is what I believe.
You, Vikrant?
Yeah, I completely agree with Meghna ji and Deepika ji. As she said कि yes, एक dichotomy होनी ज़रूरी है, एक social responsibility या collective responsibility सिर्फ makers की तरफ से नहीं, writers की तरफ से नहीं. I think I absolutely believe in the fact that cinema is a reflection of our society, the times we live in. And अगर हम ये सवाल makers, writers और creators से अगर हम पूछते हैं कि क्या हमें सिर्फ responsible cinema बनाना चाहिए, कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपने आप को भी ये सवाल पूछने चाहिए कि आप we responsible enough? रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ hard thought हमें इस पे डालना है, ये रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी की बात है. So it's a two-way street, and yeah, and as I said, the times we live in, जो चीज़ें हम रोज़ देख रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली महसूस कर रहे हैं, हम उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट अपनी कैपेसिटी में कितना कर सकते हैं, वो मुझे इस वक्त ज़रूरी लगता है.
And it's not that if you're socially responsible, then it's going to be a serious movie, a hard-hitting movie. No. Sorry to digress, but Piku, for example, said so much, but it was still entertaining. So it's not that if you do socially responsible films, they're going to be a certain type or a certain way. They can still be told in an engaging and entertaining manner.